Sinharaja Rainforest. Located in southwest Sri Lanka, Sinharaja is home to many animals, but it's primarily a birding hotspot, with many endemic birds like the blue magpie and the elusive Serendib scops owl. Sinharaja is home to around 20 endemic birds. Horton Plains. Situated in the central province, Horton Plains is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Perched on a plateau 2,000 meters high, it's home to over 20 species of mammal. Other attractions, like Baker's Falls, can be seen here. Rare endemic reptiles can also be found, including elusive birds. Yala National Park. Located in southern Sri Lanka, Yala is Sri Lanka's most popular national park. Larger mammals, like elephants, can be seen here. But the major attraction are leopards. The park is famous for its high leopard density, and the chances of seeing a leopard on safari is high. Minaria and Kodula National Parks. During the dry season, both Minaria and Kodula include a sizable gathering of elephants. It's the perfect time to observe their natural behavior. Wilpattu National Park. Located northwest of Sri Lanka, Wilpattu is known as the Land of Lakes. Although numerous animals are found near the lakes, including birds of prey here too, the major attraction is the leopard. The park is home to over 50 leopards, and sightings are less unhurried than Yala.